How to change currency in Quotex. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, when you want to sign up to Quotex, they give you a list of currencies that you can choose from, as you can see right here. However, let's say for example that you've chosen the currency, but after the registration process you want to change it for whatever reason. Say for example you choose the euro as a default currency, but as happened lately you are from Egypt and they added the Egyptian pound as a currency in the Quotex and you want to change to your local currency. What can you do? It's a very easy process. All what you need to do is open up Quotex and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the drop down at the top left of the screen, from which you can see the type of your account and your balance. Click on it, and in the first section you can see it says currency USD, and there's a button next to it that says change. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear from which you can change your currency. As you can see, you have the current currency and the new currency that you want to change your balance to. Say for example you want to change from USD to I don't know, Indian rupee. There's a lot of currencies, as you can see, the GBP, Indian rupee, and the Russian ruble, the Nigerian naira, and stuff like that. So say for example I want to change it to the Indian rupee. So when you do that, it will show you how much you are exchanging in USD and how much you will receive in the new currency that you have chosen, in this case the Indian rupees. And they also shows you the exchange fees at the bottom. So once you are okay with that, click on yes, proceed, and your currency will be changed to whatever one you have chosen. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Quotex account currency. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.